anything from me. Are you guys hungry? Let me get you something. Ah, you want to go to school, don't you? Okay, here is what I'm going to do. We're all going to go to school now, but you are going to be split into equal numbers and sent in Rangu's scooter. Okay guys, Rangu will be here any minute. I need to find out how many of you are here.
All of you, please come forward.
I'll put you in rows of 10 to know how many of you are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's my first row of 10. Let's keep going on with the second row of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's my second row of 10. Let's keep going on with the third row of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's my third row of 10. Let's keep going on with the remaining parakeets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we had 3 rows of 10 and a 6. 3 rows of 10 will be 10, 20, and 30. If I add 6 in the last row to it, it will be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 parakeets. Totally, we have 36 parakeets. Rangu, you're real quick. I need you to drive them to school today. I'll be there soon.
Sure, Rick. I'm happy to do so.
Thank you, Rangu. I'm going to send them in groups of 9 parakeets.
Okay, I'm ready.
When you see the first set of 9 parakeets sit on your scooter, you call out 1.
Sure, I'll call out the number.
And when you see the second set of 9 parakeets sit, you call out 2, and so on.
Okay, I got it.
Here they come! I hope you guys are ready. I'll count you 9 at a time, and you should fly together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
4.
Good. We have got all the parakeets on the scooter.
Yeah, it sure looks like it.
That's true, Rangu. We split 36 parakeets into 9 parakeets each group. And now we have 4 groups. We have 3 rows of 10 parakeets, which is 10, 20, and 30 parakeets. The next row's parakeets are 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Each group had 9 parakeets. Now we have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, when we split 36 parakeets into groups of 9, we have 4 groups.